So let's move on over to Ginny's shop next. So Ginny here has martinis and roses. And you're so welcome, Angie. So martinis and roses, Father's Day is quickly arriving. Don't miss out on timely delivering. Oh boy, when is Father's Day? I better check. Father's Day. See, my parents, they have 10 kids, so I don't really have to worry. If I don't get, my mom or dad something, one of the other 9 kids will figure it out. But I suppose I should probably fix my attitude on that. I should get him something. Maybe I'll buy him a bracelet or something. What could I get him? So let's check it out. Let's see what you got in here, Ginny. The 20th. Okay, thank you, Susan. So we have lots of beautiful necklaces. Keep going, cuff, bangle. Keep fucking going, cuff, bangle. Inspiration and motivational bracelet. I stamp your words. This is cool, okay? Blank, no printing. I am personalizing as per photo 1. Interesting. Nice. Okay. I like it. Now, here's the personalization. Add the text you wish to have hand stamped on the cuff. Please note there's a limit of 30 characters. Oh, and this one even has a character counter, so that's perfect. Okay, perfect. I like it. Now, I don't know about this. That keyword, I kind of doubt. I don't know if this is like I know people say stuff like that. But it's not a huge keyword. So 207 results is, and you're mastering it right here. I think that's you. No. It's just somebody that looks similar. So the issue with this keyword as your first keyword is it's too long and it doesn't necessarily get a lot of searches. So if you've got 207, I always take the first keyword, pop it in and search it. So we got keep fucking going, bangle, 207 results. It's just not a lot of searches. Now, I understand the motivation, but maybe something that would work a little better would be motivational cuff bangle. Let's check that one out. That one's a little better, 782, so it is better. Let's try motivational bangle, 2,175. So that's even bigger. We're moving in the right direction. So this is something you want to do whenever you're putting together keywords for your listings. You really want to be checking them, and sometimes they're too long. Like this one, I would kind of adjust this. So this is a keyword. This is a keyword, and then this is really more of like a description, right? Because not a lot of people are going to type in I stamp your words. Okay, it's not how people think. What they're going to think, they're just going to type in personalized bangle. Okay, personalized bangle. We got 20,000 results, so that's a lot more. Or personalized cuff. Okay. Let's see what we get, 37,000 results. So those two right there are going to be better than I stamp your words. I stamp your words is what you want to use as in your description, but you got to check your keywords and you got to make sure people actually search that. And unfortunately, people aren't searching I stamp your words. They're searching personalized cuff, personalized bangle, and then they also might be searching some other stuff like custom bracelet. Okay, let's try bracelet. Let's try that. Custom bracelet's really big, 117,000, maybe too big. Let's try custom bangle. Custom bangle. We got 15,000. No problem, Gigi. So 15,000 right here, a little bit better. 15,000 is good. And that's actually like the sweet spot. That's like a perfect keyword right there. 15,000 is great. And look at what we have going on here. These items look similar to yours. So you're kind of falling into the right category. Now, obviously, this category has a lot of competition. So if you do want to kind of push into something like this one, custom bangle, and really master it, you'll have to just, get the keywords good, and you'll have to renew this listing a lot. to get it to the top, which it looks like you probably know what you're doing there because this listing's on June 11th. So that's fresh, you know? But yeah, you've definitely got to be checking out your keywords, make sure that they actually are getting lots of searches. And personalized cuff, personalized bangle, custom bangle, probably even custom cuff is going to get us more search traffic than what you're using at the moment. Custom cuff, 31,000. So that one's pretty big, actually. Maybe be a little bit too much to get into there, but you can still show up. People, Etsy kind of mixes these search results up. You know, it's not like they just give all the traffic to these same listings on the first page. They kind of mix it up a little bit. But that's why you want to use keywords like this. You always want to be using keywords people are searching for and that get lots of traffic. So with this one right here, I would really recommend redoing the keywords for it. I think you've got a nice looking product, but you're going to need to redo the keywords and make them a little bit more, you know, searchy. A little bit more search traffic. Let's check this one out here. Slim cuff bangle, personalized bracelet. That one's better with black leather slip knot. Okay. I stamp your words, custom hand stamped bracelet. See, that one is better. Custom hand stamped bracelet. Even that one's a little bit long, but that's actually that's a great keyword. I love this keyword, custom hand stamped bracelet. And I'll tell you why I love it, because it's so well a description of what your product is. And it's only got 7,000. So it's going to be a little less competitive than some of those other ones, like custom cuff. This one, I think 31,000. That one's going to be a bit more of a challenge to get to the first page. You'll still be able to get results from it. But custom hand stamped bracelet with 7,000 is perfect. That's going to be a great opportunity for you. So I would actually probably move that closer to the top, if not make it the #1 keyword for a lot of them. But I just popped in some of those keywords for you in the chat, Gigi. Check them out. I think you got a great looking shop. Your items look pretty. You just got to work on those keywords a little bit and go through all of your stuff, check it out, see what you got going on, and make sure it looks good. We got Splendid Tiger Eye 18 karat ring. That's cool. I was in Mexico a little bit ago and I got a tiger eye bracelet. And I was pretty happy about it. And is that a snake? What is going on there? It looks almost like maybe, I don't know, these little parts right here almost look like a snake. I don't know what they are, but they look good. But again, this one, kind of a long name, Splendid Tiger Eye 18 karat bracelet. I don't think the Splendid's doing anything for you there. I would just go for this one, like if we search this long keyword, Splendid Tiger Eye 18 karat ring, way too many details, not really pulling anything up. So if we go Tiger Eye ring, there we go. Lots of results. You just got to shorten those keywords down. Great looking shop, Gigi, and best of luck to you.